Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be pulling a shot of Starbucks Winter Blend using the Rancilio, Silvia, and Niche grinder. I'll be putting together an iced Americano with the shot, and I'll break down a review of the coffee. So let's get started. I picked up this coffee at Costco for just $15. That's really nice because I've seen it for as much as $30. It's 2.5 pounds of coffee, which is a really good value. If you go through coffee fast or you're just getting into espresso and plan on running through a large amount, just to learn your machine, I'd recommend getting this bag because it's a decent coffee and you won't feel bad about wasting coffee with trial and error. So on the bag it says it's a two-way blend with coffees from unspecified areas of Latin America and Asia Pacific. It does say that it's USDA organic, which is a nice bonus, and some of the flavor notes are nutty and warm spices. So overall, I really enjoyed this coffee. I actually liked it even more than the Christmas Blend and Christmas Reserve, which is crazy because this one's way cheaper. There's a lot of nuttiness and chocolate notes present that I really enjoy in a coffee that make this one so good. Again, I got this giant bag at Costco for only $15. Thanks again everyone for staying with me to the end. Please like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow, and we'll see you next time. Cheers!